Hey kids, welcome to another one of these Cool Tool Tuesday videos. I am still Phil, and this week we are going to look at a very cool rafter square made by those cool kids over at Spear and Jackson. But this time it's very handy in that it is finally a metric one. None of that imperial garbage for us anymore down here in Straya, mate. Like all rafter squares, this has a ton of really handy things you can do with it. Arguably the handiest thing you could ever buy in terms of measuring and marking straight lines and whatnot. It is a classic tool for a reason, and it's metric. You can, not only can you just, mark a straight line that's squared perpendicular to a surface, but you can also do angled lines using the degree markings here. Starting with your pivot point, you can use these cutouts, these little jaggedy bits here. They're in 5mm increments to draw parallel lines to your edge. And you can also, and this is actually quite handy as well, use this cutout on this side to mark a particular distance from a line you've already drawn, right? And then you can come down and do your next one. So if you need to do a bunch of perpendicular lines at particular distances apart, you can draw your line, mark where the next line should be, line that up, draw it, mark where the next line, and it's metric. Now this also has your classic roofing angle stuff for doing your bird mouths for your joists and rafters and whatnot. Down here, that's not exactly my, what's the word, ballywick? On the back it has all your conversion rates for that stuff as well. Oh, and by the way, I don't know if I've mentioned this yet, it's metric. It's also very slick because it's black rather than just the standard kind of steel with engravings. You can actually see it a little bit better. If your safety glasses aren't prescription, it's very handy for that. Very, very handy square in metric sizes. Finally, Spear and Jackson's metric rafter square. Go get one, it's very handy. For everything you need to know about to get woodworking, come on down to Timbecon, talk to the guys here. They know everything. Well, about woodworking anyway. They might not know everything, because there's a lot of stuff to know. If you like this video and you want to see more, share, like, subscribe, shalike-ascribe, as the cool kids say, whoever those cool kids may be. Don't forget to tell us what you like about this particular tool. And I guess that's it for now. See ya.
Is he really normal, doctor?